Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year 2021. This is Erik coming to you from Spirit Lake, Iowa. Northwest Iowa, in the middle of winter time here. We just got a ton of snow the other day, and it is beautiful out here. I mean, look at this. Literally walking through a winter wonderland. When I left Chicago about 5 days ago, no snow at all. I come up here, and there is at least 6 inches, if not a foot, of snow on the ground here in northern Iowa. And it's cold. It's well under 20 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's that time of year. And you know what? I've learned that you need to embrace winter. It's one thing I love coming back home. This is actually where I grew up, here in Spirit Lake, Iowa. I moved here in 1996 with my family. And I lived here from 96 to 2005 when I went to college at University of Iowa in Iowa City. Moved back here for a couple years trying to figure things out during the Great Recession in 2010. And then ended up moving to the Chicagoland region at the end of 2013, actually the day after Christmas, 2013 to be exact. But I'm back visiting family for Christmas. This is one of my favorite places to be for the holidays. And one thing I love about northern Iowa is it's always guaranteed to be a white Christmas. At least it seems that way. I can only remember maybe 1 or 2 Christmases that we've had in the last 20 years that maybe we didn't have snow. I don't know, maybe. I can't really recall a Christmas without snow here. But I mean, look at this. Beautiful out. So the reason I wanted to touch base with everyone is I've taken a couple months off. I think it's been a little more than a month since I've posted a video, and it's been almost 2 months since I've filmed anything. To be honest, the main reason for that is Chicago has been back in a lockdown since November. Most of everything around Chicagoland has shut down again due to increases in cases of COVID-19 or coronavirus. So a lot of the things I've wanted to film around Chicagoland just are not open or available right now. So it's been a bit of a bummer. I'm not going to dive or delve into the politics because I want to keep this channel politics free. This channel is for filming travel videos, travel destinations, and I really don't want to get bogged down into politics on this channel. It's something I'm trying to avoid as best as I can, which is very hard to do, especially this year in 2020. Politics has oozed its way into almost every aspect of our lives, whether it's sports, TV, movies, social media, everyday life, you name it. So I want to try to keep politics off of this channel. This channel is solely for traveling, exploring incredible places throughout the United States, primarily the Midwest, and that is my goal and my focus for this channel. So that is what I will be bringing to you here in this new year, this 2021 year that is upon us now, that I am excited to hit the ground running with as much as I can. And one of my main goals for this over the next couple months is to focus on winter here in the upper Midwest. Winter activities, fun things to do in winter. I want to embrace the winter season. I want to have fun this winter. A lot of people, a lot of vloggers online tend to stay in warmer states, whether it's Southern California or Florida. But I want to bring you guys the Midwest here the winter season. And I've got a lot of plans coming up. A lot of things I'm excited for. One thing that I will be bringing to you is I will be back here in the Spirit Lake, Okoboji, Iowa Great Lakes region 1 month from now for the Iowa Great Lakes Winter Games. They've held the Winter Games here for, I think this is the 41st Winter Games this year, so over 40 years. And there's a lot of awesome activities. Things are open here right now, and they're planning to remain open throughout the month of January. So the Winter Games are on. I've already signed up for a winter 5K race here at the end of January for the Winter Games, and I will be doing a polar plunge. jumping into a frozen lake, which I've never done. I'm not looking forward to. It's gonna be something I completely new that I will bring to you guys on here. I'm planning to bring a GoPro when I do it. So look forward to that in a month. I'll be doing a 5K in this wintry terrain, this winter wonderland, and I'll be jumping into a frozen lake here in Okoboji, Iowa. I've also got some plans to go skiing, ice skating, trying to fill in the next couple months as much as I can to bring fun things to do and live up winter to its fullest. Because I know in the past, winter is really one of those seasons that is easy to get depressed, complacent. You want to stay inside. It's cold out. You know, as a kid, winter was a lot of fun because you had school days, you got to go sledding, you enjoyed the snow. As I've gotten older, you tend to be a bit of a Scrooge when it comes to winter, having to wake up earlier than usual to scrape off your windshield, deal with icy roadways and dangerous roads. And the sun going down at like 5 o'clock can get very depressing too. It's just dark, shorter days. It's easy to get kind of depressed during the winter season. So this year, especially after this crazy 2020, I don't want to be depressed. I don't want to lay low. I want to embrace the winter holiday season and live it up as much as I can. So those are some things that I plan to give to you guys, to show you guys here on this channel. So you have some things to look forward to. That's really all I had. I just wanted to give everyone an update. I know it's been over a month since I've posted on this channel. I just wanted to let you know I'm still here. I still got plenty of content on the way. And I actually have a lot of back catalog that I am editing currently. Over the last 6 months, I did a lot of biking ventures throughout Chicagoland. And I am editing those now. Those are on the table, the chopping block. Is that the right word? The chopping block? Well, anyway, they're on the table right now. I am editing numerous videos that I plan to release over the next several weeks. Biking ventures, some museums in the Chicagoland region in Northern Illinois before the pandemic took place that I still haven't shared on this channel. So lots of content on the way, whether it's new or some older things that I did this last year. But I have plenty more coming. So just wanted to keep everybody in the know or in the wherewithal. That's the word I'm looking for. Not the know-withal, but the wherewithal. So I want to let you know there's plenty of content on the way, whether it's new or stuff that I've already filmed this past year that I plan to edit and share with the world, share with all of you guys out there. So I'm rambling on. It's really not what my intent was. But anyway, here I am live from my home in Spirit Lake, Iowa. Just wanted to share the winter season with everyone and wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. A new year, 2021. It's finally here. Let's make the most of it, and everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching as always. Thank you.